Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that the government is hopeful to meet its target of 1.4 lakh houses under PMAY for the fiscal year 2023-24. It may be mentioned that a comprehensive review meeting on the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana (PMAY) in Meghalaya was held yesterday under the leadership of the Chief Minister. After the meeting, the Chief Minister said that they have set a target to complete all the pending houses in the list with the help of the central government.
So this year is a very important year for the PMAY project. Just to give you a comparison, in the last 4 years, the target for the state was roughly about 40,000, 50,000 houses. This year alone, 2023-2024, we have a target of 1,40,000. And this has happened because we have been really engaging with Government of India, and we have put a target to complete all the pending houses that are there in the list. And we are happy to inform you that Government of India is cooperating and is engaging and discussing with us in detail.